Another question I'm often asked is, how do you guys handle maintenance? Our goal with maintenance is to meet any reasonable expectation that a quality resident will have, while preserving and protecting the value of the property for our clients and keeping costs as low as reasonably possible, doing the right long-term fix at the right time with the right vendor. Those are the objectives. Sometimes a client will have the concern that, well, gee, if I turn over maintenance to you guys, it's like me giving you a blank check, but you might not be looking out for my best interest and keeping my costs reasonably low. Unfortunately, in the property management industry, property managers have earned a reputation of not necessarily keeping the costs as low as they can for property owners. Most property management companies make a good portion of their profits on maintenance, either having captive in-house maintenance companies or marking up maintenance from third-party vendors 30 to 50%, whether or not those fees are clearly disclosed to clients.